Here's how you hopefully you're fine. This is really good indicator and working really awesome. Let me show you some example. Okay, here you can see this is it will show you cell zone, and when you will get this type of shade, okay, blue, that means this is the blue zone. Okay, buy zone. Okay, this is your cell zone. Here you can see this is your buy zone. Okay, and this is your buy zone. Okay, this is your buy zone. Okay, clearly visible, it's very really amazing one. Okay, and we're using 1 minute time frame. Okay, here you can see this is your cell zone. Okay, market goes downside, very good one. Okay, here you can see this is your cell zone. Okay, and you can see market goes downside. Okay, let me show some more points here. Okay, this was your cell zone. Okay, okay, this was your cell zone, and you can see market going downside. Okay, it will show you the area where you can trade. Okay, it will show you, or it will identify the area where you can trade. The second thing, okay, only single indicator, this indicator is giving you this thing. Okay, this indicator shift extra filters. Okay, this indicator will give you the area. Okay, or you can say the buy zone or the sell zone. Okay, but the second indicator is really amazing. The second indicator will identify where is the most accurate trade. Okay, it will identify where is the most accurate trade, so you can close your eyes, and when you will get I will show you, and I will tell you the rules are very important and simple rule, very simple rule. Here you can see the RSI. This is the important thing. RSI is the most important thing. Here is the histogram as well. If you want to use the filter, histogram filter as well, then there is a filter. There is a band line. If you want, you can use it. Now we will go. First rule, first and the last rule. Simple. When you will get this zone, here you can see. Let me show you some zone. Here you can see, when you will get the zone, make sure the RSI is below from the lower band line for the buy position. Close your eyes and open the buy position, and scalping, take your profit at this point. Okay, let me show you some more points here. Here you can see you will get the sell zone at this point. You can see you got the signal as well. Okay, but we will not trade at this point. We will place the sell position only and only when the RSI will come upside from the upper band line. And the second rule, and the simple rule, make sure the candle must close below from the RSI. This candle is closing below from the RSI. So this is your sell position. Put your stop loss, a very small stop loss, and take profit like this one. Book your profit at this point. Okay, simple. Now here you can see you got the sell position, and the second rule, make sure the RSI is upside from the upper band line, and the second and the last thing, make sure the candle is below from the RSI for the sell position. You can see these are all candles are below from the RSI. This is the RSI. So open your sell position, and hold it. You can open one more position at this point. Okay, you can open one more position at point. Your stop loss was, let me show you, your stop loss was around at this point. Okay, but your stop loss will shift to this point, but you did not. If you want, you can open one more trade and put your stop loss here and close the trade at this point. Okay, this is your closing point. So how is it? It's really amazing. Okay, let me show some more point entries. Here you can see You got the signal here. You can see this is the buy zone. This is your open buy position, a very small trade, and you can see it's really amazing. Look at the histogram is green, so this is your perfectly awesome trade. Small trade, but you can see. Okay, let me show some more points. Okay, this is your buy position. Okay, RSI is green one. Okay, but we remember the rule, RSI should be below from the lower band line. Then we can close our eyes and then open the trade. Here you can see. This is exactly what I want to say. Make sure the RSI come below from the lower band line. First thing here you can see this candle close upside from the upper band line. Oh, sorry, RSI. Here you can see this is the RSI. This candle is closing upside from the RSI. All conditions are true. Here put your stop loss. Very small stop loss. A very tight stop loss actually. Okay, and book your profit here. How it is amazing, man, amazing. Okay, let's find out more entries. Okay, at this point you can see this is the first position, this is your second position. RSI is coming below from the um, lower band line, and this is your take sorry RSI is coming below from the lower band line. Okay, and the candle, yes, the candle did not come below. Okay, after cutting the touching to the RSI, this candle come upside. So this is your buy position, this is your second buy position, and look at the histogram as well. So this is your second buy position, and take profit at this candle. Okay, simple. And now look at this one. Look at this one again, buy position at this point, because the RSI is coming below from the RSI. Sorry, the candle is come upside from the RSI, and the RSI is coming below from the lower band line. Okay, and look at the histogram is green at this point. So open your buy position at this point, put your stop loss, and take profit at this point. Simple. Okay, let's find out more entries. If you can trade, you can, but it's not according to our requirement. But if you want, you can trade with a small lot size. Okay, but do not take huge trade. Okay, like here this one RSI, RSI was upside from the upper band line. This is your first position, and after touching to the RSI, the candle is closing below. So this is your perfectly awesome and the perfect trade. Okay, this is your perfect trade. Okay, and RSI is green at this candle. Okay, so here on this point, okay, this candle. Okay, so RSI is going, histogram is going to be green, red at this candle. So this is your sell position, and this is your take profit. Okay, let's see more. If you will look at the most recent signal, okay, we can see we got the buy signal. Market will definitely will go upside. Yes, it is, market will go upside, but we are looking for the perfect trade. How? First, the histogram. The second thing, RSI is not coming to our point. We will wait until the RSI come below, then we can open by position. So for that point, we can hold our trade until we get the perfect trade. Let's see a more example, like in the Euro USD, maybe we will get the perfect entry. No entry at this point. Okay, GPB. Okay, that is really selling zone. In this point, this is really amazing selling zone. Okay, and here you can see, let me show you the clear one. Okay, here you can see that is really selling zone in the GPB USD. Okay, so the selling zone, and you can see. really amazing. Selling zone, you can see market goes downside. That is really amazing one. Okay, let me show you some more points here. Let me show you some more points here. Here you can see this is your sell zone. Okay, and here you can trade, and you can see this is your buy zone. Okay, this is your buy trade. Okay, and you can see this is your buy trade, and you can see. So that is actually really amazing one, working awesome. Okay, let's find out more. USD chef. Okay, this is your buy zone. Hopefully in the most recent not yes, we are getting the buy zone. Okay, but at this point this is actually not one, not according to the our requirement, but you can trade. If you get the buy zone or sell zone, yes, you can trade, but with the minimum lot size and minimum risk. But if you will get the trade according to our requirement, or according to our rules, sorry. Okay, like here RSI, so this is your perfect buy position, so you can trade. You can close your trade, eyes and close, and open the trade, like here this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, like this one, buy trades, only buy trades, and you can see it's working awesome. Okay, USD JPY, this was your open your this was your buy trade. Okay, and according to the requirement, yes, but it's a very small profit, or you can trade until hold it, you will get the exit point. Okay, here you can see this is actually good one, like histogram is green one, RSI is also green one, and very close to the lower band line as well. So this is your perfectly buy position actually. Okay, let me show some more. Okay, let me show you some more trades here. These are the sell zone, but not according to our requirement. Okay, this is your buy zone. Okay, this is here you can see you got two perfect trades here. You got first trade and the second trade, and close your trade. Okay, that is actually good one, amazing. Okay, let me show you some NZD. Okay, this indicator is working awesome, like this that awesome, man. Okay, this one actually good one. This is amazing one. Okay, now you can see the sell zone. You can see the market goes amazing downside. Okay, that amazing one. So, and let's find out more entries. AUD USD. Okay, this is actually good one entry maybe. Okay, but according to our requirement, this is not the perfect trade. But you can trade with a minimum lot size and minimum risk. Okay, and you can see not much trades in this one maybe. Okay, that's actually good one trades. This one is perfectly trade, awesome one. Okay, this is your perfect trade. Okay, and more. So here you can see this is the indicator working awesomely, and working really amazing one. Hopefully very soon we will get the this buy entry, and then you will see this will amazing profit. Okay, I will wait for this RSI. Make sure the RSI will come below, then we can our open our buy trade, and hopefully this will give amazing one. Okay, in the BTC, and in the next video hopefully I will show you the results of this trade as well. Okay, you can use in 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute time frame, you can do scalping. Okay, this indicator and this indicator, we are using two indicator, simple hoga 4.8 and shift extra filters. If you need any indicators, you can contact me. But remember, these are my paid indicators. Okay, this is shift extra filter, and I will provide you the Pine script, and you can use it for the lifetime. Okay, these are paid, not free of cost. Only you can contact my WhatsApp, Telegram. Write one at the end if you want to contact my Telegram. Gmail, simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact my Gmail. Hopefully you will love this video as usual. Any further query or any question, yes, you can ask me. I'm developing my own indicators, and the Only I am providing the best things, okay, not rubbish, okay, or not waste things. Hopefully you will love this. Now it's time to subscribe my channel and must like my video for the next video. Bye bye, take care.